here, fabulousfindsad.com. Go to our website, the interactive maps, because we have a correction. We have Flagler Humane Store has moved. Their new location is 480 Palm Coast Parkway Southwest. Very easy to find. If you go to our maps on thrift.life, we are correcting it so you can find them at their new location. And their hours here now are Monday through Saturday from 10 till 5. So we're going to go in and see what they have to offer here at the new location for the Flagler Humane Society Thrift Store. Look for the map. This one will be coming out, the paper map for Flagler County. So let's go inside and see what they have. Come on, thrifters. What an awesome store. This is really great. The Flagler Humane Society of Flagler County. New location. It's very clean, a lot bigger, very organized. They have bedding, they have adult clothes, children's clothes, shoes, household goods, furniture, lamps, books, records, toys, and 75% off their Christmas items right now. But I don't know how long that will last. So you got to go to their website too and look them up and see what they have to offer. I know they have specials all the time, and we'll be posting those also as they keep going. September is their grand opening though. This is their soft opening. So get down here and check out their grand opening, and we will post that also. But you've got to come down here because you're supporting the animals by shopping here. Recycle your money back into the community by shopping your local nonprofits. Thrifters, keep on thrifting.